Man arrested for misbehaving with girl student in broad daylight. Any person committing such heinous crime will not be spared, warns Chief Minister and BIREN. A man who reportedly misbehaved with a girl student in broad daylight has been arrested. The accused has been identified as Haubam Ibomcha, age 43, of the Lambung Makong Takelambam Laikai. Taking to Facebook, Chief Minister and BIREN has warned that any person involving in such heinous crime will not be spared and maintained that state police is swift in responding to these crimes. According to police report, following a social media post which was circulated widely today on Facebook and Instagram, in which a mid-aged person who came in a two-wheeler sexually assaulted a girl who was going for tuition at Kaisampathiam Laikai. A combined team of Imphal West District Police, led by Additional SP, Crime Against Women, Ratana, Imphal Police Station Team and Cyber Cell Imphal West, under the supervision of Superintendent of Police, Imphal West, launched a manhunt. After examining the videos, CCTV footages, minutely and through other sources, the police team identified the accused person. Immediately, the team rushed to the Lambung area and arrested Haubam Ibomcha from his house. He has confessed to have committed the crime. A suo motu case has been registered at Imphal Police Station for taking necessary legal action.